point, 1 point. Okay, 0, 0. Number 3, dribble, dribble the ball. Number 3, pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 4. Number 4, pass to number 5. Number 5, shoot the ball! The ball is in number 8. Number 8, dribble, dribble the ball. Pass to number 5. Number 5, dribble, dribble the ball. Pass to number 6.